You know it's the holy month of Ramadan when Qatayef is on the menu. These delicious folded pancakes are super tasty. They're very simple to make in a food processor. Simply add the water, carefully add the flour, the fine semolina, and baking powder. Add a little bit of sugar and a pinch of salt, then close the lid and liquefy until smooth. Add to a bowl, cover, and let rest for 30 minutes. To make the filling, mix the walnut, sugar, with a little bit of cinnamon and mix well. For the cheese filling, mix the cheese, sugar, and cinnamon, and using a fork, mix, breaking up the mixture. In a heated nonstick pan, add a 1/4 cup of the batter. It should start bubbling immediately. Cook until no longer wet on top. Cover with a towel to avoid drying. Lay a pancake in your palm. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the filling. Bring sides together and pinch closed. Repeat until you're done with the others. Lay on a tray, distinguishing the cheese from the walnut ones. Brush the pancakes generously with butter. Turn over and brush the other side. Bake in a 375 oven for 20 minutes, turning halfway. Drizzle with sugar syrup and enjoy immediately while hot. Happy Ramadan.